Make Yakety Yak Wireless your first stop. Our experienced sales staff will help you choose the phone that's best for you. We carry a vast array of basic and smartphones, and we sell used and unlocked phones and provide the best in iPhone repair. Come into Yakety Yak Wireless.
So this is a video on how to disassemble an iPhone 3G to change the digitizer. For it, we will use several tools. We will be using a Type 0 Phillips head screwdriver, a suction cup to remove the screen, a pair of needle nose tweezers, a blue pry stick, and a straight razor. First thing that you need to do is you must turn off the iPhone 3G so you don't short it out when you open it up. Also notice I put some tape on the front of the phone. This helps when you want to suction cup it out. Next, you remove the two base screws, and then you apply the suction cup to the front of the screen. You pry gently, you pull gently here. Be careful not to rip the cables that attach the screen to the main part of the phone. There are three cables. They are in the top right hand corner. You have the LCD cable, the digitizer cable, and finally the earpiece cable underneath that's secured by a little clip that you have to flip up. With that you can easily remove the digitizer. That's the digitizer cable, that is the earpiece cable, and the top one is the LCD. They connect, digitizer, earpiece, LCD. Go ahead and move that aside. Now there are 6 screws that you have to undo in order to remove the LCD from the digitizer. Here we use the razor blade against the side between the digitizer and the LCD to release the pressure and allows you to lift. If you just try to lift the LCD, you stand a chance of cracking it. Be careful not to touch the front of the LCD. Now you can remove and put away the old digitizer and get the replacement one. Carefully slide the front edge of the LCD underneath the clip at the top right of the digitizer. And then you need to go and reapply all of the screws. After reapplying the screws, you're going to attach the digitizer to the main part of the phone by first applying the earpiece connector, sliding it into the gap and flipping down the little switch that holds it down. This is what I use the tweezers for. Next, you're going to apply the digitizer cable, and you need to make sure it seats down correctly, otherwise the digitizer will not work. And lastly will be the LCD cable, and the best way to do that is to fold the screen down towards you and use your finger to attach it. If you lift up, it could disconnect. Then align the screen properly, make sure it fits in there, and afterwards make sure you turn it on and test that your work is completed successfully. And finally, install the 2 bottom screws. And you have a fixed iPhone. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Please contact us at www.yaketupdfw.com or at 817-399-1000.